Hello there, good evening. Yes, there is a lot going on with the weather in the next 24 hours. Storm Claudia is a little bit of an unusual storm. We've just got weather fronts that are stalling, and that's going to give the persistent and heavy rain for a good few of us right the way through tomorrow and into the early hours of Saturday morning potentially. But things then settle down and it's going to be quite a different feel after that as it turns more settled. But we're also going to see some much chillier weather heading our way into the start of next week. So back to the here and now. Here's Claudia waiting in the wings. It's bringing up all this mild air from the south, bringing in these weather fronts with it, but it's butting into this high pressure that's resisting it from the north. And so because of that, we've got this interface between these two air masses, but there's nowhere really for these weather systems to go. So where you've got the clash is going to stay pretty persistent until it just rains out and burns out of steam, basically. So we are going to see some very persistent rain until we get it out of the way. So this is the area across England and Wales where we're likely to see the heaviest and most persistent of the rainfall. But nonetheless, we're also going to see some pretty gusty winds tucked in there as well. So there's lots going on. Wind, cloud and rain starting to build through the night tonight, turning patchy for a time through the early hours. But with all the residual moisture, expect there to be some pretty poor visibility out there on the roads. Certainly not a chilly night. Temperatures 11 or 12 by first light in the morning. But then we start to see these weather systems converge, and that's when we'll see some more persistent rain settling in through the course of the day, particularly the further north you are. Temperatures again into the mid-teens, and then, as I say, another change as we head through the weekend. Take care. Hello there, good morning. Well, what a day. It's cloudy, it's wet, there's a lot of rain. This rain is going to be heavy and persistent. Expect there to be flooding, terrible visibility on the roads, and that's just exacerbated by the strong winds that are going to carry on building through the course of the day. Take care. Hello there, good afternoon. It's a fair weather day, really. Bright skies, some sunshine out there, top temperatures of 16 Celsius or so. So really very pleasant indeed with that very light southerly breeze. But this evening we will see some pulses of rain move through, and they will be heavy at times as well. The temperatures barely dropping overnight, just 11 or 12 Celsius. So still very mild in the morning. And we are at risk of seeing heavy rain through the day tomorrow. There is a weather warning just covering our region. So potential there for some heavy rain through to the end of Friday and in fact lasting into the early hours of Saturday morning. Take care.